All right, ladies, it's getting almost crunch time. I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to get it all in this week, and I know that's a bad attitude to have, but hey, it is what it is. So, I think like right now, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we got 5 days before we get started. And what I was going to suggest is measure yourself. So get out that measuring tape. Take those measurements. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna post mine, so I will let y'all know. I will email it to you. I ain't gonna say it on online, but I will email it to each one of you, and so we can start keeping track. And I want y'all to hold me accountable, just like I want to be able to try to help you. Now that's the first thing. You should have already gotten your sheet, so you can start using the calculator on there to calculate your macros, so you'll know how much protein, carbs, and fat you should eat per day, how many calories, and then also go to the eat this much link, so it can help you figure out what your weekly meal plan is going to be. And I'm telling you, the more organized you are with that, the more you meal prepped, the more that you're prepared, the easier it'll be to follow it and not fall off the wagon the first couple days. Because all of you all know that have died it a million times like I have, the first 2 3 days are the freaking hardest of all, because you smell everything. Food is everywhere. You just feel like you're going to die if you don't get some of what you want. But we all know that's not true. Okay? So let's just leave. Let's just get that out. That's the past. That's what we've done in the past. We're going to do stuff brand new. Right, ladies? So you already have your meal plan for the week coming up. You already know your measurements. You can weigh yourself as well to get started. I am also going to put on the some of my workout clothes that I use, and take a before picture. Okay, so I'm gonna take it head on and take it to the side, so we can really see some progress as we go along. Okay, so if you want to do that, and you should, because you know what? You got to love your body now. You have to love your body just like this. Now, like I told y'all before, I'm the skinniest fat woman you know. Baby, I ain't got no bra right now, but baby, I think I'm fine. Honey, I just want to get a little finer. That's all. Get that mindset, because if you're saying, "Oh, I'm dieting because I hate myself, I hate my body, I hate," that's why I don't go back to eating the way you've been. No, 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 no. Love yourself. And I mean, even if you have a hard time with that, and those are some things that we can work on with your self esteem and with your love of your body. I don't care if it's your big toe. Find somewhere on your body something that you love and focus on that and love that until you can grow it, until you love your whole body just the way you are. If you trying to lose for somebody, you trying to always see, when I get black stomach, I'm going to get this 5 minute. No, that does not work, because you don't love yourself. You cannot attract what you want if you don't even love yourself. Now, I love myself. It took me a while. And I'm, like I said, we're going to go through this and deal with some exercises I'm going to give y'all on self-esteem to help you get to that point. But trust me, I've gone to the gym and been on the treadmill in tears, thinking, oh my God, this is never going to work. Look at me. Look at her. But see, when you compare, you despair. Okay, your body is yours, and whatever you did it to yourself, baby. It's a many a chicken that died for me. Okay, and bushels of potatoes. Okay, for some French fries. So I accept and take the accountability for my body. Now, there's nothing wrong with it. God made it. And I might have messed it up a little bit, but it's still mine. I still gotta love myself. Okay? So that's why, no, sisters, please do not get caught up in that, because you'll you'll go right back to the same old habits. And remember, we said this is the last time we gonna do this. Now, either you gonna do this and get your results, or you might as well just gonna say, damn it, I'm gonna be fat till they throw the dirt on my ass, and that's okay too. And let me go get a slice of pizza. Okay, if that's what you really want to do, then that's what you do. But if you know deep down, really, and for your health and for everything else, you want to do this, then you got to get in that mind like your life depends on it. And it does. Okay? It does. So that's why we've got to get all these pieces together. So let me repeat. Measure yourself, weigh yourself, get your meal plan for the week, find out all your macros and everything. And then even with that, you can play with that a little bit. It's just kind of like how Weight Watchers works. You know, if you just got to have this bagel and cream cheese, Lord God, if you don't have it, you're going to die today. Okay. Figure out, get you, and that's what I was going to suggest, get you my Fitness Pal. It's great. It's every food, everything you can imagine on that thing, and figure out how many carbs, how many fats, how much protein is in that bagel and cream cheese, and subtract it from your total so you know what else you got to do that day. So if you want to indulge in something, okay, do it, but then you got to pay for it, because you got to back it out of what you have so you'll know what's left. So, okay, if I want to eat that bagel, then I know I can't eat too much of nothing else out of the realm that day, then that's what I do. And then make up for it maybe in a little extra exercise. That's how you do it. That's a healthy lifestyle. That's how you stay fit. Because ain't nobody saying on my channel that you'll never be able to eat another pizza, you'll never eat another hamburger and french fries, you'll never. That's not true. Okay? So get your mind right. Push your mind right, as Fabulous said. Okay, so after you've done those things, and I still want to encourage y'all to go to Amazon and get the actual journal that I made for us, so you can track all of that. You can have somewhere, it's almost going to be like your diary, where you can track and put everything in there, and then write some notes in there of how you're feeling. If you are in tears, if you are upset, if you're angry, if you feel it and let it go. See, what happens a lot of times, we get in stuff and we just wallow all in it, and then we wonder why we ain't making no progress. I always say, deal with your shit and then move forward. That's what I do. I will allow myself a day. If I want to have a pity party day and I want to go through all these changes or whatever, then I'll do that. I'll allow myself that. But then the next day, I got to snap the hell out of it. You got a goal. You got a thing. And that's the other thing you need to visualize in your brain. What are you working toward? Don't just say, oh, well, okay, I want to lose 50 pounds. That's so nebulous that it's not real for you. You need to visualize it. Look at your body. Look at everything on it. What do you want to change? And visualize that, and see yourself in that bikini. See yourself in some hip huggers. See yourself in some slutty clothes. For you, for your man, for your woman, for whoever. Okay? Do that and see it. So every time you working and you sweating and the stuff is kicking your ass, you thinking, but I'm going to get that flat stomach. See this chick? That's why I picked. Can you see this chick? She got boobs. She got a flat stomach that I could beat her ass for. But you see what I'm saying? this chick worked to get that body. And so if you want it, then you're going to have to work for it. Okay? Visualize in your brain what you want. You might not want a stomach that flat. That's cool. But just you want it flatter than what you got. All I'm saying is be realistic. Be realistic. Don't sit up here and look like you done had 5 babies and then say, in 2 months, I'ma look like her. Be realistic. I'm not saying you can't get to her. I don't care if you did have 5 kids. It's women with 5 kids stomach that flat. Okay? You can do it. But it's going to have to be your mindset. You can't do it while you sitting up there eating a bag of chips, looking at her, looking at the videos on the channel, and not doing a damn thing. Okay? And like I said, if that's what you want to do, do it. We're going to be here. I want to be here for you to help you and encourage you just as I'm going through the same thing. However, one thing about me, and y'all that know me, know I do not bullshit. Okay, I'm very realistic and to the point. And like that movie Shawshank Redemption, like I said before, get busy living and get busy dying. That's all. Just the only 2 choices you got in this life. You got to do it. Okay, so we can do this. So if y'all do all of that, what I just said, get your journal so you can track, and it's big enough for you to track an entire year. Okay, and we're going to do this. We're going to check in every Saturday. And eventually when we start seeing some results, I want us to have some Zoom meetings so we can keep encouraging each other. I want you all to go to the Facebook group. I set up a Get Snatched Facebook group, and that's another place where you can vent, you can ask questions, you can give advice, you can do whatever. And I have a couple male friends that are bodybuilders that girl, they fine, okay, that's gonna come in and help, and then maybe answer any questions or anything that we need. So like I said, it's a time for us to love up on each other and help each other and get to where we got to go. That's what we got to do in this world right now, because it's bullshit everywhere. It's drama everywhere. It's confusion everywhere. But you don't have to be that way. What you decide and what you put in your head and what you focus on and how you want your life to be, you can manifest that. You don't have to be affected by none of this garbage. Okay? So that's all I got for now until we get in there. So like I said, go and do the measurements, go and plan out your food, go and get the journal, go and look at some videos, even check out some of the exercise videos. I put a lot of like beginner type videos on there for people that's fluffy like me, that's got to start real slow and build up. Hopefully it'll be some sisters in here too that are fit, and they can give us some help and some advice as well. And you can always get encouragement. I don't care what size you are. That's what it goes, because some people are small but they don't have no self-esteem. Okay? Somebody like me, fluffy, but I got all the self-esteem in the world. Trust. Okay? So I love y'all. Let's do this, and I'll see you next time.